Hello students, let us read this question. In the adjoining figure, name the following pair of angles. So we have given a figure and we have to identify the pair of angles. So first is obtuse vertically opposite angles. Then second is adjacent complementary angles. Third is equal supplementary angles. Fourth is unequal supplementary angle. Fifth is adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. Okay, so first we need to find out the obtuse vertically opposite angles. So from the diagram we can see that the angle AOD and angle BOC are the obtuse vertically opposite angles. So we can say that angle AOD and angle BOC, they are obtuse vertically opposite angles. Now the second is adjacent complementary angles. So complementary angles means the sum of these angles should be equal to 90 degree. So from the diagram we can see that angle AOB and angle AOE is forming a complementary angle because sum of them is equal to 90 degree. So we can say that adjacent complementary angles are angle BOA and angle BOA and AOB. Sorry, AOE are adjacent complementary angles. Third is we want equal supplementary angles. Now we know that supplementary angles are the angles for which sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. So we can say that since these angles we want equal supplementary angles, so this will be the pair of right angles. So it will be EOB and EOD. So we can say that EOB and EOD are equal supplementary angles. Now the fourth question says that we want unequal supplementary angle. So we want angles which for which the sum is 180 degree, but the angle should not be equal. So this will be equal to. So these pair of angles are BOC and COD because some of them, because they are forming a straight line, and we know that the sum of angles of the straight line is 180 degree. So angle BOC and COD, angle BOC and COD are unequal supplementary angles. And the fifth question says that adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. That means we want the nearby angles, pair of angles, and it do not form linear pair. Linear pair means it should not form a straight line. So the one pair will be BOA and AOE. So we can say that angle BOA and angle AOE. Then the next pair will be angle AOE and angle angle EOD. EOD. And similarly angle EOD and DOC. So these are adjacent angles that do not that do not form a linear pair. So using the diagram, we have found out the pair of following angles. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.